Hi, my name is Dustin Cutler, and today I'm going to talk about my chosen specialization, which is gameplay programming, and how it connects to game accessibility. I'll go over what this role involves, what I've learned so far, and what I still need to improve on. What is gameplay programming? Gameplay programming focuses on how the player actually experiences the game. It includes things like movement, controls, and how different systems interact. It's basically what makes the game feel responsive and enjoyable to play. Key skills for gameplay programmers. To be a gameplay programmer, you need strong coding skills, especially in languages like C++. You also need to understand game engines like Unreal and be able to solve problems when systems don't work correctly. A big part of it is thinking about how everything connects. Why I chose this specialization. I chose gameplay programming because I really enjoy breaking down how games work. I like figuring out how systems connect and how small changes can improve the overall experience. It's more interesting to me than just focusing on visuals. Influences of past courses. My past courses helped me get comfortable with Unreal Engine and basic C++ programming. I also started thinking more about systems instead of just individual features, which is really important for gameplay programming. What is game accessibility? Game accessibility is about making sure as many people as possible can play a game. That includes people with different physical abilities, vision, or hearing challenges, or even just different experience levels within games. Why accessibility matters. Accessibility matters because it allows more people to enjoy games. It also improves the overall experience for everyone, not just players with disabilities. In a lot of ways, just makes games better designed. Accessibility in gameplay programming. Gameplay programmers play a big role in accessibility. Things like customizable controls, difficulty settings, and clear gameplay feedback all come from how systems are designed and programmed. Game community influence. The game community has really influenced how I think about accessibility. I've seen a lot of discussions about features like subtitles, colorblind modes, and control remapping, which made me realize how important these features are. Personal interaction with the community. I've learned a lot not just by watching how players react to games and listening to feedback online. Seeing what frustrates players or makes a game easier to use has helped me understand what good design looks like. Self-assessment results. From my self-assessment, I realized I have a good understanding of gameplay systems, but I still need to work on optimization and accessibility features. It showed me where I'm strong and where I need to improve. Right now, I feel comfortable working in Unreal Engine and using C++. I can build basic gameplay systems and debug issues when something goes wrong, which is a big part of development. Working on my prototype helped me understand how systems actually function together. It wasn't just theory anymore. I had to build and test mechanics and figure out what worked and what didn't. From that experience, I improved my debugging skills and learned how to connect multiple systems together. I also got better at testing and adjusting things when they didn't feel right. I still have some gaps I need to work on. I want to improve my optimization skills and get better at implementing accessibility features in a meaningful way. UI and user experience is another area I could improve. To improve, I plan to keep building projects in Unreal and focus more on accessibility features. I also want to study real games and see how they implement these systems successfully. My goal is to build a portfolio that shows strong gameplay systems along with accessibility features. I want to show that I can design systems that work well for different types of players. Overall, I think combining gameplay programming with accessibility leads to better games. It's something I want to improve as I continue learning. The main takeaway is that accessibility isn't just an extra feature. It's an important part of good game design and should be considered from the start. Thank you.